Hello, my name is Sarah Valentine and welcome to the Accent Bank. The Accent Bank is designed to be a database of global accents. Help us be the largest encyclopaedia of global accents and dialects in the world. So what do you have to do, I hear you ask? Well, what I want you to do is something very simple. I need you to record a set script which you can download straight off this website, and then you're going to upload that video to my website using WeTransfer. Now, I've created a guide on how to record your video, including basic settings for most devices so that you look and sound great. You'll also need to print off your release agreement, sign it, and send it along with your video, just so that we can use your video on the website. Why would you do this, I hear you ask? Well, at the end of the script, you can include a short promo of yourself, your business, your brand, your cause, organisation, or even just talk about the wonderful place where you come from. Show me how you sound and add your natural accent for others to learn from. So this is what I'd like you to say in your video. Let's pretend we're doing it now. Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Sarah and I'm proud to come from Epsom in Surrey, and this is my natural accent. Then what I'm going to get you to do is just read the rest of the script. It's very simple. Download the free handy guide for all the details. Please do try to keep your videos to less than 3 minutes and remember to speak clearly. When you're happy with your video, all you need to do is to send it to me via wetransfer.com. You'll find the link on my website. Once you send it to me, I'm going to potentially edit it, then I will upload it to the Accent Bank, and once published, we'll notify you by email. I really look forward to hearing your amazing voice, and thank you for sharing your accent with us. See you later.